What are the most common symptoms of the ovarian cyst? Let's talk about it. The most common symptom of ovarian cyst is painless. They don't have a symptoms. Usually the presentation is incidental. They come with the scan reports. We have no problem. Second, we can say sometimes they present as vague pain, bloating, feeling gaseous. In the rare situations that we find that ovarian cyst present as acute retention of urine, they are not able to pass urine, or acute pain in the tummy because of the twisting of the ovarian cyst, we call that as a torsion. Otherwise, ovarian cyst usually or sometimes in endometriosis it presents like a painful periods. That also is one of the ways. Another common thing, let's talk about the myths and facts about the ovarian cyst. The myth about the ovarian cyst, all ovarian cysts require treatment. It is not the fact. Some ovarian cysts or most of the ovarian cysts will dissolve by itself, do not require a treatment. Cystadenomas and the dermoid cyst or acute emergencies of the ovaries would require a treatment or medication. Second myth is people with ovarian cyst can't get pregnant. Again a myth, people with ovarian cyst can get pregnant depending upon what types. Only the types that requires a surgery are the endometriotic, which are big one, which can not make a woman get pregnant. Otherwise, ovarian cysts do not cause much of an issue for the fertility. All ovarian cysts are cancer. That's again a myth. As I discussed, many of them are functional, about 80%. There are going to be 10% who are other types that require any sort of a management. When is the surgery actually required for an ovarian cyst? When the ovarian cyst, even if it is functional like a simple or hemorrhagic cyst, it's too big. If a simple cyst which is more than 8 centimeter or so, filled with the balloon, can be a potential thing which can go in torsion or it can rupture, that require a surgery. That would be the first thing. Second, if it's a hemorrhagic cyst which is compromising the quality of life a lot, means there is a lot of pain, she's not able to go, we know it is not a cancerous cyst. Even then, the hemorrhagic cyst which is potentially compromising the lifestyle would require an excision. So the other reason of the surgery would be acute emergency, a torsion, correct? The cyst is just like a balloon on the stalk. If it twists and turn, it can cause acute pain, and that cyst requires an excision. If there are dermoids, big in size, definitely a surgery. If they are cystadenomas, mucinous, serous, the type that would require us a surgery. So there are other set of ovarian cysts which can be cancerous, correct? These are the cysts that require a surgery for sure. We do check with the blood hormone, blood protein like CA125, especially present in a postmenopausal woman, to check about the significance of an ovarian cyst. So what's the takeaway message of ovarian cyst? So whenever you get a scan done and you find an ovarian cyst, first thing, please don't panic. It's okay, correct? Let's find it out. First question, what the cyst is all about. Whether it's a functional cyst, it's a dermoid, it's endometrioid, or it requires something. So before you panic, you need to know what's going on rather than worrying about it. Most of the time, ovarian cysts are incidental. Don't think massive. Don't put it on GPT chat. Don't put it on Google. Find it out what's the worst out of everything and start panicking about it. Meet your gynec, talk about the issue and solve it in the best possible way. If you have any questions, tell me. If you had a scan done and you got diagnosed with the ovarian cyst, how did you act and react at that moment? Happy to know it. If you have any questions about it, write in the section given below. Thank you.